Wherever the great outdoors takes you, you know that Ryder has you covered with our range of fantastic camping equipment, 4x4 accessories and robust recovery kits. But we don't just help you kit your vehicle out. Now, with a range of heavy-duty car care products, we'll help you keep it looking its best, no matter where you take it or what you throw at it. We understand that tough vehicles require tough cleaning products, so our exterior cleaners have been specially formulated to cut through even the most stubborn, caked-on muck. With a full range of detailers, you can keep your windows, tyres, bumpers, bars, paint and trim looking great when you're on the road and give your vehicle an added layer of protection for the next time the road runs out. Removing stubborn upholstery stains, defogging your windscreen and getting rid of unpleasant odours has never been simpler thanks to our heavy-duty interior cleaners. From regular washes to preparing for a muddy adventure, there's a cleaner to cover all your bases, and generous container sizes mean more cleaning and fewer trips to the store to stock up. Keep your pride and joy clean, tidy, smelling great and ready to tackle anything on or off-road with the full range of Ryder 4x4 and car care solutions.